An African man should know this home remedy. Or let me tell you, a real man should be knowing this home remedy. First of all, if you want to witness wonders during competition at home, because the results will shock you. First of all, it will give you natural stamina, this home remedy. It will boost your stamina naturally, and my dear, your physical performance will be improved if you follow the procedures very well and if you take it to the time I'll tell you in this video. So if you have been suffering for manpower, energy, stamina, going for hours and hours at night, you have been suffering for long distance, when you go for the first round, you don't come back for the second round, my dear, this is the best video of the day for you to try out at home. No side effects, no overdose. But if you follow the words and you follow the ingredients and the procedures which you will see in this video, my dear, on that day, you will remain the same. Because this works immediately. No need to wait for years and years, for days and days. When you take it, expect good physical performance at night. Remember, my name is Coach Uganda. If you're a new person to this YouTube channel, my dear, subscribe and invite your friends to this YouTube channel. And by the way, leave a comment in the comment section, and liking our video, it will be good for me and for you and even for others. So, where do you come from? Today's video is perfect for you. Now, these are the ingredients we need for our home remedy to take place. Remember, this video is for education purpose only, so follow carefully, get a pen, get a book, start writing. Now, first of all, we need cloves, okay? We need cloves. If you don't know cloves, my dear, you can research on the internet and you get to know how cloves look like. So you need cloves for this home remedy to take place. Remember, cloves help to cleanse your body, to give you energy, okay? To make it stiff and strong at night. So you need clove. This is one of our first ingredients for this home remedy to take place. Now, next, we need garlic. Okay? We need garlic. If you don't know, guys, those people who use Viagra from the farmers, they use garlic to make it, by the way, if you don't know. This Viagra which you use from the farmers, which is not good, they use garlic to make it. So it means the nutrients and minerals from garlic will help you to behave or to power like horse naturally. Boosting stamina naturally, strengthening naturally, you need also garlic. This is our second ingredient which we need for this home remedy to take place, guys. Now, the next ingredient is we need lemon juice. It means you'll get a lemon, okay? So you have to get lemon for this home remedy to take place. Now, don't forget that we need also Nescafe. For Nescafe, you can use any type of coffee powder. Not Nescafe so long as it's pure coffee powder. My dear, this is a magical remedy. If you're an African, you're a man from Africa, and you don't know this home remedy, what are you waiting for? Okay? What are you waiting for? If you want to make wonders, if you want to impress someone at night, this is a magical remedy, guys. Remember, this video is for education purpose only. So the next ingredient is natural honey. I told you we have different types of honey. There is honey whereby they add some chemicals. Now, remember, you can use a glass or a cup. Right now, I have a glass. What about you? You can use a cup, you can use a glass, so long as you are able to prepare your amazing recipe, which is going to change your life forever. Now, guys, before I proceed, have you subscribed? If not yet, please do it right now. I'm going to tell you how to mix these ingredients and where you're supposed to take it to maximize, to get amazing results. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. This is our best video of the day concerning stamina, strength, endurance, and energy. So keep watching, guys. Now, here we go. After getting your ingredients, like I've told you, how do you mix them? Okay, so give me your ears right now. I'm going to tell you how to mix these ingredients so that we come up with one best remedy of the day. So get for me 2 pieces of garlic. This is one. Okay, this is 1 and 2. Only 2 pieces of garlic, guys. I know you know garlic. Remove the outer parts of your garlic. Grate your garlic. Put your garlic in your glass. It can be a cup, as I told you. Now, from that, excuse me, from that, you're going to get 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Okay, 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. You can use Nescafe so long as it's coffee powder 100%. Add to your glass also 1 spoon. I told you garlic, you get 2 pieces, remove the outer parts, grate it, put them in your glass, then also add for me 1 tablespoon of Nescafe. Here we go. Here we go, guys. From that, add for me lemon juice. You're going to get only a half of lemon. Squeeze it and get its juice. Add it where you have put your ingredients before. Coffee and garlic. Guys, are we together? I go slowly because I want you to put them in your head, guys. Okay? Now, lastly, we talked about cloves. You're going to add only 6 pieces of cloves. If you don't know cloves, my dear, you can research on internet. Okay, very easy, and you have it in your kitchen. So you add only 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 6. Only 6 pieces. Now from that, wait a bit to add natural honey. Don't add natural honey. Wait a bit. You're going to get hot water. Okay, pour to your cup, or it can be a glass where you've put your ingredients. Now cover that recipe for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, filter your recipe. Now time comes when to add natural honey. After filtering your remedy, now add for me 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Mix very well, guys. Okay, you mix very well. Now, when are you supposed to take this home remedy? So that it can work for you naturally. So that it can boost your stamina naturally. So that it can help you to enhance your endurance, to boost your performance, to boost your physical performance naturally. You have to take that remedy 30 minutes before. Take it 30 minutes before. My dear, if you've been working for 2 minutes, at that night, you'll be working for 30 minutes in the first round. Now, when you come back to the second round, you'll be going for hours and hours without stopping. Remember, this recipe, it will increase blood flow. When your blood flow increases, it means the physical performance will be perfect. Energy will be perfect. Stamina will be perfect. So, you take it 30 minutes before. Okay? 30 minutes before. My dear, you'll be a perfect man at that moment. You'll be a king at that moment.